In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix 75 FPS on GeForce Now. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to change your FPS so it isn't stuck on 75, maybe you would like to make it higher, or you would like to make it lower so it is more stable, I'm gonna teach you how to access these settings and completely change your FPS. So you will be able to do this on mobile or PC, whatever you prefer. Just open the GeForce Now launcher and access the settings. So on PC, you will be able to do it by tapping these three lines at the top left. And for mobile, usually there will be a settings icon as well on the top, but usually at the top right. So just access the settings on GeForce Now, and once you are inside, you will be looking for streaming quality. This adjusts the performance and the data usage, so you can make the graphical fidelity of a game higher. In turn, you will be using more of your bandwidth, or the opposite, where you will use less of your network, but the quality will be poorer. So all that you have to look for here is frame rate. As you can see, you will have some presets, for example 60, and whenever you choose this is going to be the aim, meaning that the game is going to float around this frame rate. You can also set it as a limit, and all that you have to do is set it here. If you notice that you are unable to reach high frame rates, it's usually down to your subscription. So GeForce Now offers various different tiers of subscriptions. Some of them will have higher quality cards. So for example, they used to have one with an RTX 3080. Now they should have the 40 series instead, but the point is, if you have a lower tier of subscription, the quality of the game that you are streaming over might be lower. You really should look out for the maximum bitrate, resolution, and frame rate, and as well the subscription tier that you have, because this can affect the performance and the graphical fidelity of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix 75 FPS on GeForce Now. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.